Ebushama akwaba eba tuma GH mesri dimwa. Subscribe my page on me adomane mame. Send me upload bi anso na unsa ebetumi aka. Ena me no kase okachi efrifa oye a controversial journalist abedi nkomo. Na ne nkomo di obedi e de sane de ni nyina fa President John Mahama busie bi a o allege say wakokobo eye 50 billion Ghana cedis. Now Okatachi efrifa edi nchiremu bi aba na ne nchiremu ya wodi abe a raising conversations ahodo because o chiremu President John Mahama edi sike bi sie na afi so no obo mine kro no ewe kwan bi so ebusia mense ombre ne yekune nkoti hawa Okatachi efrifa edi ne nsem no to bonten esifaye na afi so no owo adwenkyere bi a wodi wa adwenkyere so no edi aka wodi amaye
John Mahama eba be ka kire State of the Nation 2025 and 2026 ye be comparison bi. Now I want to say Papa no kure ene no there is a problem, and because he does not respect the people when he said the all kind of man for him mwechiri it yet kroma say my last year yera John Dramani Mahama be ka kire say economy now inheritance free Akufo-Addo hono it was in tatters to the extent that Ghana na your public debt arising to a year the tune of 721 billion TDA kan yi. Now the same John Dramani Mahama aba be ka kire in 2026 1 year down the lane or no John Dramani Mahama suddenly 721 billion eswate abafom by 82.1 billion. Tiye kan yi. Now ojina ho na okasa no. He again announced to the people say, "Wa share a big push project na dia ben na be 50 billion." Say 50 billion minu nyina nim say eye bosia an wakwakobo. It's wakwakobo bosia 50 billion. So would the new roads project there? How come say we see a swati 82 billion but 150 billion anka Ghana debt because o chaman for intro. Again waka kire say 15 billion Ghana cedi bia stalled project Akufo-Addo share so ya wanwie ene de ben ono John Dramani Mahama share 15 billion wakobo bosia. Now so kobo bosia 50 billion for your roads project ekobo another bosia 15 billion. Now Obana say ye can eda 721 billion but eswate by 82.1 billion, but you forget or you refuse or you intentionally and can't man for say what's up boka 50 billion a year big push roads what boka 15 billion. So in actual fact yet 65 billion if free 82 billion more Ghana can drop it by 82 billion to other man for no ucha man for intro when him say man for no mwechiri fiscal discipline now promise Ghana for no was say no buy and what drop it from 721 billion by a margin of na atofo about betray intro. Meanwhile, wakobo bosia 50 billion and no one fan ka ho. It is what the bosia 50 billion eka 721 billion. Another 15 billion or the a year stalled project or the kahua and ye public debt no ever rising from 721 billion plus additional 75 billion and some waka kire were reducing by 82 to reducing by 82 ekwesiko ojina kwantia reducing by 82 billion so aboka 65 billion agum. Yet Kroma say na President Mahama ba ye wodi takashi and obeka kire ye ora
strengthen the anti-corruption institutions, and we had a project called Operation Recover All the Loot. It meant to recover all the loot that had been taken away from the Ghanaian people. And so you might hear of prosecutions and things of people who actually had mismanaged public resources.
President Mahama be ka kire ye say Akufo-Addo aban no mo ye corrupt. Akufo-Addo aban no mo ye akromfo to the point that oba ye no wasete a year debe ora wo mo kwa akoje okuja to be ka kire say $21 billion media ye be je free Akufo-Addo abusuafo ene ne nkrofo ho eno na nam so ma President Mahama be ka say ya reported a year over 2,000 cases of corruption. State of the Nation address 2025 Obabe ka kire he told all of us 2,000 a year cases of corruption has been reported. What the SkyTrain 2 million scandal can home. What the 50 million a year ghost names in the national service in your account. Now one buy no fast forward. It doesn't grow for chia and minimum abayi 50 kwete bekai. Abayi buy a minimum crofon no more previous abayi ni mwa. Wama pe NDC for di ni mwa. Wama kwa negotiate. Wama bo manfo no krono so abaya gibie no ma die no ma tena so. Eti Mahama abayi is as corrupt as the government that left government, and in fact they are more corrupt. Average Mahama ko hwe ye no nim so ntimi nchi obi a yentie di worker yenti.
I may be as impatient as everyone else to see justice done, but painstaking investigations must be conducted, dockets must be prepared, charges must be filed, and the accused must have their day in court. including appealing, even on the smallest point of law, to higher courts. This process is necessary to protect us all against abuse or ill treatment of citizens, and to ensure that only those guilty of offenses against the state are punished. As President Mills of blessed memory said, he said, and I quote, "The wheels of justice grind slowly, but they grind exceedingly fine." Mr. Speaker, let me reassert my determination to uphold the accountability of public office holders to the people of Ghana.
Wamuntimi njeli ma kenoforiata di anadwuma na semo adanko daada adre me beti baby am tin me hunu nioma ehunu nioma ekoso before say ebeto aba ni nyina enkomo ekoso ne kenoforiata ebe ni say ebefa ebemena fa ha be esi se na joma ama ani abre pa so be kenoforiata ankada wo no joma ama yeso ani in the first na nkobe ni say ko be sizi oforiata from traveling enkomo bi koso before election joma ama nya sika wo he na no wo be ye campaign NDC opposition for no omu wo sika sa na NDC wo sika me ka say oh mumusa jo mama so onye sika no eti no oforiata adwane no oforiata nwane nko ba bia oforiata de odwane nyina jo mama ni hu bi omu nyina nti de omu ye anadwo manasem na yadanko daadado ye ni say fa ni say ba kosia omu ye kumipreko demonstration ye chi omu nyina da akufo ado pe ne ya nche no mumusa se de nti na kumipreko ebiza de nti ya nche akufo ado ne se akufo ado time a wo so a no wo ko school na ne papa president of Ghana Edward Akufo-Addo national security ni anu ode Akufo-Addo co school London ehwe no so ebo Akufo-Addo ho ban retired captain retired the late Kojo Chikata te de make yi ti amemu no mo de madwene di agro edi se no wa adwene mo odwen se Akufo-Addo ni jeje se de no mo ye politics no no mo ye atamfo enye no kore sa na John Mahama ne ye kan se oforiata mamu mabibia na adamo hwinsi and grinding kosi wheels of justice no your mama or your trufo on kanokore open president on kanokore pa ba ko yenti.
And according to the Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between Q1 and Q3 of 2025.
A few moments later.
Between the first and third quarters, employment increased by over 330,000 people.
If you lie, you will not go to heaven.
Na wa hankasa pe wo ayi da wanim state of the nation address in da wanim no adwumaru a wa state wo mu se 10,887 why mo special programs why I employ 86,000 no kura no employment room ba bi ewo ya bubu agum sa national apprenticeship program mo se 14,000 e befa and other few models amoye na about few thousand more ana moye and even 120,000 po. And Ghana Statistical Service has said 330,000 people got jobs, and because there are no consequences when presidents lie to the people, Otimicha Tro said 1 million jobs were created. Now, President Mama so obeye Accra Kumasi Express Highway, and it will cut travel time by 2 hours. Waba aba to be a ye. Enam enkwa de one enkwa pewa. Muni so we de Akufo-Addo na hyase. Na Akufo-Addo hyase and baby aba bedruni. It's baby abedruni ye toaso a yenya bi ni wo ho. It's yenya no nto ho. Ne yenkoye Express Highway. Ni yenya kwan a emanfo na ankasa dodo no atimi fa so a ye express mane yeyi. Na normal kwan na manfo ne nam so no wosu wontua wonnya ho adwuma kiona tabai pokwase ekọ nyina ehwa ayi se chaka Express Highway no ode ko oba ye agenda 111 wo ho wosu wontoa so woso obeye Express Highway na yan musa yenti asem.
Even before I launched the Nkotoko Kitekiti program, 720 beds had been distributed during the pilot phase to 13,000 farmers in 12 districts.
I know, sir, Minuanum Bibri, a movie on with 720 beds have been distributed to 13,000 farmers. I won't be that petty and I won't be trivial. I want to give John Mahama the benefit of the doubt that he actually meant 720,000 beds. But assuming without admitting that even 720,000 beds had been given to the farmers 13,000. Let's do the calculation. Let's do mathematics. 720,000 beds. Oh, chama 13,000 farmers at ASA. It means about 55 beds nkokɔ nketenkete program no John Dramani Mahama ani abere so wɔyɛ nkokɔ nketenkete program no nkokɔ nketenkete program no wɔ ma farmer bia 55 bets yentie saa papa yentie no
nkokɔ nketenkete no bɛde aba bɛde ba yɛ no haseɛ no bro nipa bia benya aduonum 50 na kaza 50 de esua entimi masa wo de nkokɔ nketenkete 50 ɛde ma apizo a ɔte ho ya benyini no benya bentimi nso bible miehene bewu na baka miehene miehene matukosia na wato na miehene na wanya sika miehene na miehene ko beja de ware wo de wabusia nti yempa jam 50 ne poye so nso a bempa jam no eba sa ye kwose no do nya dodo opa nkokɔ num yes do nya dodo opa no onya nkokɔ num nu no so kura no na nipa na aboka so fratuna ama wonta bena na wa aboka tie kesi ka firinta bena abadrobo ha abeje nkuta nkokɔ nketenkete no ya ya ntie kesi ka na fa ma no ono aka wa abo no na ye bibia ka na ho ma na koye num abro so ani nsia ana so de nkokɔ manzia ma nipa benyini no se benyina apo bia nwu na benyina ba survive a betu ko sia me he dia ma wo obato ne me he na abenva so pa ne be ba so na ode ama wo Adams to nkokɔ nketenkete no na ode akɔwie ni na awia ho sama ewo mi ni se edu ni nchem no NDC card kita no se emuru 5 years abe ma wo yes ba be je no NDC card abede ba ye no se uji ya no wo card wo NDC card no ebedi wo ho no se emuru mvie numa be ma wo
less than 4 years bia de
be ma wo be mbe wo ba NDC be ma wo ni ye oni party card oba jifri NDC for ho no eye mfie num ade eko ansa na nkwa ketenkete no ya ma obi ko ye nkura hoto do so tuna onsia fane die onya dodo pa nyansia
though he says 720 divided by 13,000. I don't want to be trivial. I don't want to be that petty. Yes, my brothers can take that on because I know it's a slip of tongue. But even given, let's give it to him. That's 720,000. So the guy can ask him before said your mama Ebema State of the Nation address. So the reality is that they actually anticipated they were going to give every farmer 50. If we actually 50 and then acquire 5. Now, Yansha Yera John Dramani Mahama, as some of Saka view. Yera John Dramani Mahama said, since January 2025, this administration has embarked on a decisive research of Ghana's agriculture sector under our Agriculture for Economic Transformation agenda, with the Feed Ghana program serving as a flagship program. Menim say ye tromanu said dear you. Mentiasie. Brother Mama, ye troma on one kanya na bentiasie o. Be agri program be na be farisa no bentiasie. Ben ko konketenkete program no ben fanko be 5. So President Mama twa manfo no etro. Reforms bia ni wa President Mama dia ba eche koko pharmacy, enche koko pharmacy. Opa mientro script man ko gino ne kan kire manfo ne se de ya the actual reform ade aba ne se wati kokko akuafo sika so eno ne reform ade aba now yenhwe mama on the area of a year school feeding President Mama said 34,000 caterers employed under school feeding program now when to gina manfo nanim e ka asase mo ekire on President Mama enya ofere with the greatest of respect, are you not ashamed, Mr. President? Oba your school feeding program omo MPP for ho nyina na abepamo wo mo say school feeding for mo nko na opamo wo wie na asa de foforo behema. How is that unemployment? Now President Mama said food inflation has declined significantly to 4.9%, providing relief to Ghanaian families. And say food inflation okofa hiyo so okofa no hiyo say ye dey wonim say manfo ne nkanti food inflation bia ni wa e chen de abrante yike yenti
one that there are no customers for our rice. Right now, we have the rice in abundance. And then when we speak now, the price of the rice has drastically come down as compared to last year where the price was okay and then the farmers were happy. But right now, the price has come down and moreover too, there are no customers to buy our rice. And again, as we speak, the input costs are the same, the price of harvesting conveying the transportation cost is the same, but the price of the rice has come down drastically, and as we speak, there are no customers to buy our produce, and then the farmers, we have farmed and then we have harvested, the produce are there, but there are no customers to buy them, so we are still going for loan, and these loans come with exorbitant interest, which is making it difficult.
Food inflation abadawo emadawo food inflation bia no apese mama e che de abrantie kase yenya customers for ye food ye dua mo no ye dua aduane no wona wo sia se on paper no food inflation aba from na yentie president mama open students loan scheme to law student every medetenten wo mo ko legon e ko KNUST student loan we ye law student we ye agric student we ye carpentry student we ye so uko university nkwa na open student loan apply senye kewna taban ni atrodia. How do you say I've opened student loan to a law students? Now law students any do omko university ya no omko university no wie mu ana. Oba ya agenda 111 program. Ironically, the whole of a year ni 2026 wa mo agenda 111 program so. O jadi nyina guo. Oba ye cocoa prices, the true state of the nation. Or see inflation are dropping by are dropping to 3.8%. The inflation are dropping 3.8% and CD has appreciated by 40%. President Mama Nekon. And so cocoa farmers no inflation are dropping CD are appreciating no. And as our cocoa farmers into me and talk if they are to musikaso. Military training to be given to 10,000 national service personnel. Kakra kura year for mo na anu ya mo makobi ukura nipa for the kowi. Oye nursing trainee allowances have been restored. Na nursing trainee allowances yetwa mu da bai. Ai abai we yake na taba. Ye okro say na wo na akotwa nursing trainee allowances sim. Wo president mama, wo da atwa teacher trainee allowance ana kufu ado bai no be restore. It is also about now uko Gina state of the nation. Eko kase nursing trainee allowances have been restored. And I man wanhwem and petrol prices have dropped from 15 Ghana cedi to 9 and diesel from 15 to 11, bringing relief to our nation. We relief no adia bana koko for intimi to be no 50,000 housing units to be constructed for teachers. Uko Gina kase 50,000 housing units to be constructed for teachers.
Now, how has it been for you as a teacher? It's so painful. Teaching for a year without salary. All my colleagues have gotten their staff IDs. It has started with me. Only me from Western North. I've rented, I've been paying bills, that is light bill, water bill. I just don't know what to do again. I'm tired. What we need now is our staff IDs. The minister should listen to us and hear our cry. Be working, even just common core credits. You need to beg for common core credits. Sometimes you have to starve to go to class and teach. How can one teach?
And say any payer want to mean to a teacher for Nekano. Say any payer and promise will say 50,000 housing units to be constructed for teachers. No what genedi na what unity at the President Mama unveils plan for 3 new technical universities to tackle a youth unemployment. We anyway. If say you say youth unemployment, or more free university eba. Now before some call youth unemployment so no. Sa abai we ems one housing dear. Or per housing once some Mokai XTS Korea deal na or moye ye. Or we na Hope City housing and also now kwe bibi oho. We say what promise teacher for. Seglemi housing kura usi any go. Utimi we seglemi. Afe wasu obesi technical university for a year student youth unemployment. Na me hu ye ka youth unemployment no. What be dey? Ye di ka de nkola ni bi free university abegu system ni mu a yentimi mu omadwuma nyo. Enti adwuma no mu hia. Enya more producing of a nkola. Krono nti ni ye new program ase ni ye new ni ekosi new university. We wonche ni o kakra be ko ho am ye di bi enti. Me ba mo cho mo visa free waiver no. Me be gbo amamo. Na visa free no de wo mu ni say President Mama secure visa free to Barbados. It will bomb money or some more money. President Mama secure visa free to Brazil and acquire a diplomatic and service passport for and you'll be a People's Republic of China and you visa free and you waiver for be a for diplomatic and service passport for. Now or say Republic of Cuba, Federal Republic of Germany and acquire a diplomatic and service passport for and a visa waiver. President Mama seven countries Hong Kong. We secure visa waiver. Nemo no visa waiver na for diplomatic passports. Na Mauritius de mu nyina ambetimi akobi. Mauritius mu nyina ambetimi akobi. Republic of Seychelles obi abetimi akobi. Republic of South Africa visa waiver no bacho a diplomatic and service passport for kwakunto visa waiver na president Mahama Deji fans wo a state of the nation no. Republic of Sudan kura Sudan amamu nyina Sudan say service passport for any a diplomatic passport for. Republic of Turkey omsi diplomatic passport for pe ene be kura. Kenya ana say all passport mumra. Lesotho say all passport mumra. Namibia omsi diplomatic and service passport for. Tanzania say all passport. Trinidad and Tobago say all passport. Singapore say all passport. Uganda say all passport. Zimbabwe say all passport. Jamaica all passport. Rwanda all passport. Hungary diplomatic and India diplomatic and service passport. Eju president Mahama begina onu otwa motro se wakọ secure visa waivers a country ni mabobo no ene mu abo qualify etu nkura dia je se odu ani kire Azerbaijan we oni abegina ho abeji fans Mr. Speaker, the government has secured visa waiver for Ghanaian people na Ghana for about hey
ebusia weni komodidi a ekoso on social media mesro ebusia sa won so no wa dwentire bi a won so wo efo fact ya free fa area better bonte no unsu be drop comment am ene yehu ha wo se fa die nsemi se dia ye bra peni ken eye no kre ana se nya no kre ha too much ni di ma mesro se obe subscribe my page we no mi adoma no so na me upload bi aso na onsa ebetimaka media ne CK makrao